Hello friend, welcome to my channel. I greet you from Azerbaijan. Now I will introduce you to the bread which I make at our restaurant almost every day. You may ask, why do I make this bread? Because it's easy, doesn't take much time. The main reason is very delicious. My dough is ready. If you wanna get the recipe, it will be under the video. Don't worry, the preparation is very simple. By the way, this is my first project for YouTube. If you enjoy, please don't forget to support me. Like, dislike, subscribe how you want. I will make the dough into merging and I will wait during 20 minutes for it to rise again. Merging are ready. After opening the dough, I put milk and egg yolk mix on it. I make cuts in the dough with my fingers. Finally, I sprinkle sesame seeds on it. I throw bread in this oven. I turn the bread once in the oven, and behold, our bread is ready. If this video is useful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.